Alright, this is for all you YouTube buffs. This is a Harley Davidson Electroglide Classic that we own, and some folks that know us have asked about what it sounds like. So I'm getting ready to start it up, and let me go around the bike here so people can see what it looks like. I'm going to show you my license plate because I don't want people to see it. It's a beautiful bike.
The helmet's covering it all up.
And a beautiful wife. Alright, so I'm getting ready to start it up. Betty's going to hold the camera so you can see the bike and hear the bike.